Abameli bakaSikhosana bacele isikhathi esithe xaxa sokubheka imiqulu ethile kuleli cala. Kanti kolunye uhlangothi uphiko oluphenya amacala omphakathi NPA lufake isicelo sokuthi ummeli kaSibonelo Myeza ongumsolo wesibili kuleli cala uShane Matthews ahoxe. Umbuso ukholwa ukuthi kuzoba nokungqubuzana kobufakazi njengoba phambilini uAdvocate Matthews wayemele umsolwa uSibusiso Ncengwa osephenduka ufakazi wombuso. uNcengwa wagwetshwa iminyaka engama-25 kuleli cala lokubulawa kukaMagaqa.
The state finds the application it wishes to bring imperative for in order for the proceedings to go on. And as you mentioned, that will be with regards to the legal representation of accused number 3. The state finds that, should the matter proceed, it may at some stage be a conflict of interest and then result in an irregularity.
Umndeni kaMagaqa uthi unethemba lokuthi lolu daba luzophothulwa maduze.
Noba icala lihlehlile mhla 6 November. Kodwa lihlehlela ngesikhathi eside kakhulu ngoba sisuka ku-2017. Okwesibili ke ijaji nalo lesincedisa together ne-state ukuba ngeke phela ngokummeli o-accused osegcine state witness ammele aphinde futhi awumela omnye umuntu kakhona again. Lokho kusinikeza ithemba at the end kuzalunga.
Abangani bakaMagaqa bakholelwa ukuthi kunabanye abantu abathindekayo ekubulaweni kwakhe abangakaboshwa.
We are at a level now where we believe that the people that are in the dock are some of the people that are supposed to be in the dock. But there are still other outstanding potential suspects that still needs to be taken in. Among them are the police, crime intelligence operatives that were involved in this, and many others that plotted for the murder of the late comrade Sendiso Magaqa.
uSikhosana usagcinwe esitokisini kuthi laba abanye abasolwa ababili bangaphandle ngebheyili.